Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and today I'm going to show you uh, how to grow the pig in the farm. So I have come here to observe one farm that is really running well, and the farmer who is keeping the pigs on the farm like this. This is modern and technical. So you can see the modern way to keep the pig in the farm. So big pigs are here. It is in Nepal, Japa district, and Haldibari, ward number 4. So if you come to visit here, you can find this system to keep the pigs, the big pigs you can find here. Yes. So if you like to keep the pigs in your farm, so if you use these techniques, if you keep the pigs in your farm, you can earn much money if you use the techniques, and it's really beautiful to see and watch this farm. You can see the customer coming here to take some pigs for fresh cows. We generally give so many information about agriculture and so many things. Today we are showing you the best techniques to keep the pigs in the farm. Okay, if you are new for our channel, please subscribe it and visit our channel and give some suggestion and comment. If you have any comment, any questions, you can write in the comment box, and I will show you so many places like this, and you can earn knowledge. You can get knowledge about the farms and so many things. Thanks for watching us. In next video we will provide you some good information about some other topics. So for today I want to say goodbye and visit our channel again and again. Thank you.